outdoor kitchen, and on a large private lake in the Villages. Have I gotten your attention? This is a Lantana model in the Village of Sanibel. It's about halfway between Lake Sumter Landing and Brownwood Paddock Square. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a little over 2,000 square feet. The kitchen has espresso colored cabinets with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. Out front, you'll notice a 2-car garage plus a golf cart garage and professional landscaping that surrounds the entire home. But the best part of the home isn't even inside. There's an in-ground heated saltwater pool with an adjacent hot tub underneath a massive bird cage. The covered lanai has an outdoor barbecue and built-in mini fridge, but it keeps getting better from there. You have no homes behind you because this home sits on a large private lake, so it's perfect for watching the wildlife or entertaining guests. And if you're interested in this home or would like to learn more, comment below or send me a message. You can also give me a call directly at 931-444-9661. And also, be sure to ask about the Serving Our Heroes program, designed to give back 0.5% of the purchase price to military and first responders.